Hi, in this video, we're going to talk about the 5 things that you should know before getting a chemical peel. First, it's important to understand that chemical peels can vary in intensity, and there are 3 main types: superficial, medium, and deep. Superficial peels are the mildest, and usually involve little to no downtime. Medium and deep peels are more intense, and can require several days or even weeks of recovery time. Second, it's important to choose a qualified and experienced professional to perform your chemical peel. Look for someone who is licensed and has a good reputation in your area. Third, be prepared for some discomfort during and after the peel. Depending on the intensity of the peel, you may experience some stinging, burning, or peeling of the skin. And your skin may also be more sensitive to sunlight after the treatment. Fourth, it's important to follow the aftercare instructions provided by your professional. This may include avoiding certain skincare products or activities, using sun protection, and keeping your skin moisturized. And finally, be realistic about your expectations. While chemical peels can be an effective way to improve the appearance of your skin, they are not a magic solution for all skin concerns. So there you have it, 5 things you should know before getting a chemical peel. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more amazing videos. Thanks for watching.